TikTok has added a new feature to their app called the Wellness Hub with helpful resources for overall wellness. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to find and use TikTok's new Wellness Hub. Now let's get started. To get to the Wellness Hub on TikTok, tap Discover in the bottom menu. Then type Wellness Hub into the search bar at the top. Select the Wellness Hub in the search results. Here you can check out wellness-related topics like food and nutrition, fitness, life advice, and mindfulness. Scroll down to find featured creators that make wellness content, featured brand partners, trending wellness-related hashtags, and more. The Wellness Hub is your one-stop shop for all things wellness on TikTok, so whether you're looking for a new workout or recipe to try, or searching for something to help you relax and unwind, you're sure to find something awesome in this super helpful part of the TikTok app. That does it for our overview of TikTok's new Wellness Hub. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.